Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to a new one. Um, Today's sin is not something that we should discuss, probably. It's not a good one. It's lust. Um, yeah, I don't have any good things to say about this. Obviously, it's deadly sin. What am I saying? Excuse me, I'm like reading another thing. So yeah, let's focus on the topic at hand. Okay, so yeah, lust. The uncontrollable desire for more and more features, more changes, more little tweaks that aren't little, or basically more and more, even though it's kind of in greed and a little bit of gluttony. You know what I mean? It's kind of touching on those two. But yeah, it's the seduction of the next cool idea that derails the project from its original agreed upon goal, leading to a bloated, unfocused, and endlessly delayed project. Yeah, yeah, I have a lot of things to discuss about this one. Um, okay, yeah, probably I don't have anything about this one. Because I kind of try to, when I work with clients, I try to keep them on the correct lane, and I'll be like, well, listen to me. We're not here to add cool BS. We are here to do actual work. And if we're designing a software, it better be good. I don't want a software that the clients find cool and like beautiful, but on the other side, it doesn't have any usefulness. I want some software that the users will actually use. And that's like a big thing. It's a lot of people like design software for absolutely no reason. Just to design software, make it. That's basically lost. They lost for the next cool thing, next cool idea. But in the end, nobody uses their software because it's probably just like a bloated mess of features. And one of the first thing I want to discuss is the AI integrations. Like a lot of companies are lusting for these AI integrations, and most of them like don't even understand what AI is or what AI does. They just want the next big thing that makes the investors like happy. Investors find it cool, but in reality, it's not really an important thing. Also, a lot of projects are like really have this problem where like the managers find some cool idea and they were like, "Hey, this is kind of super cool. Can we add it?" And you're like, "Well, this is gonna derail the project by like a few months." And it's like, "No, no, I estimate it's gonna take just like a few days. You know, it's just a little tweak. Just add like this whole new feature, like this whole new microservice. It's gonna be like super fast, you know." But then at the end, you find yourself like 3 months deep, no results, and the feature isn't even like half finished. And like you deliver like a half baked uh, piece of crap to the clients, and then you lose clients basically. Yeah, basically, if people lust for a lot of things, but in software engineering, it's the lust for features. They want to add the next cool thing without even considering if the users actually need it or not. And yeah, it's like following the next cool idea. As I said, the biggest example currently is AI. A lot of people really want to add AI to their projects. It sometimes doesn't even have usefulness. You know, it's kind of crazy. Yeah. And okay, so this I should have said this at the beginning. I kind of forgot. If you want like a more professional look at all the sins that I mention here, you can check out my blog, which has all of them. ZariAmin.com. I'm gonna leave a link down below for the blog post itself directly. Yeah, let us continue. The second example, I kind of I don't know. It's okay. So the last year, this basically that's the only thing I can discuss is basically the AI one. It's a big example, and also I have there's also another one where like we had like an absolutely piece of shit project that I was working on. I was working on like the original code, and the guy like asked me just to keep working on that code, and it was kind of awful. You know, it is. They were adding. Okay, I'm gonna say it. The sentence is they were polishing a turd, basically. So they got this like piece of shit, and they were like trying to polish it and make it shiny, basically. I mean, there's no better way of putting it. Uh, but yeah, instead of like actually taking some time, because they were trying to follow the trends. This was like I don't remember even the software it was. It's just like a general management software, but they want to add like any cool feature that their competitor had. They wanted to add it in their software, and in the end, or actually from the start, they didn't have any users. And instead of focusing on actually creating like a good project, they were focused on adding a lot of features. And yeah, they forgot about the important part, that is the customer. And the project, as you can expect, didn't do well. Well, it basically flopped massively. Massively. Yeah, lost. Very dangerous. It's not even like the most destructive. And we're gonna get to some very destructive ones in a few minutes. Okay, I spoiled it. Because yeah, I'm recording all of these videos in a single time. Probably see you tomorrow. Um what? Yeah, as I was saying, we're gonna get to the fourth sin tomorrow. It's gonna be another one. Another interesting one. Hopefully you're enjoying like these kind of videos. I don't know, because I'm recording all of these like at the same time. And if I don't do it like this, I probably will never post any videos. Because I'm like kind of too lazy, or probably in a sense too, I don't know, I have a lot of things to do. But yeah, see you tomorrow. Hope you're all doing well.